Ụwa m onye ka nka kụrụ, elu ụwa m onye ka nka kụrụ, abasị mbọgọ onye ka nka kụrụ. Alright guys, so Boboin Felix commented, he said, please sir, can you make me a video how to edit creo or ending of a video that flows up with character's name, director, producer. Mr. Felix, I get your point. So let's go here. Right, so I'll click on new project here on Capcut. Now import a plain black image to your workspace. You get my point? Then before now, make sure you have the list of characters that acted the movie. You get my point? List of actors and actresses. You get my point? Make sure you have their names and the role they played. Like Igwe, can use Mrcray. You get my point? So when you have all those ones, when all those ones are in place, you come to text. Now tap on text, click on add text. So at this point you just type cast. After typing cast, then you come down here and type let me say king. I will type king. When I type king, space, then you use this dash. Tap on the dash, then you can type Mrcray. You get my point? Like this is my name. So you can decide to adjust it. Place 2 fingers on your screen to adjust it. Just make it small a little. So you can have enough space to add other names. So you can now, after this one, come down, can type queen. You space, then add the dot, and then you can decide to add another name here, maybe glory or Gloria Easy. Maybe you can use Gloria Easy. You get my point? Now you can still come down here. This is how you're going to do. Then you can add drunk. You can add drunk or drunkard. You can add like that. Then you space. Then you add this dot, add the dot, then you can say space right here, then you add the name Ehn Ehn Udo. You get my point? Then this is, you come down again. Now you'll be adding names. You'll be adding a lot of names here. You get my point? So guys, after adding all these names, what you do again, you just come here, just come down again. You can add screenplay. You get my point? So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell just by the side of that subscribe button, and make sure you like this video. You know, when you like a video, YouTube will distribute it to a larger number of people on this platform, and you know we need to grow. You get my point? So now when you write the screenplay, you can now come down again, then you add, maybe I'll add Mrcray10. You get my point? So you can still come down again and add what do they even add? Okay, let me just add story. I'll still add Mrcray. You get my point? So now I don't want to add any other thing again at this point. What you're going to do, just tap on OK. Don't split, just tap on OK. Then make sure you adjust it so that everything will be seen. You get my point? So you allow it, can leave it like that. Don't add. If you want to change the font, fine, you can change the font, but if you don't want to change the font, you can allow it to be like this. So what you need to do right now is for you to make a screenshot. Just make a screenshot. So I'm gonna screenshot it right now. So I just made a screenshot, so I'm gonna crop it. Just crop it the way you see me do right here. So you crop this side like this. You get my point? And then you save it to your gallery. Now you're not gonna do anything with this one. Understand? You are not using this one for anything. All you need to do, just click on this X button, and then you come back to your Capcut homepage. So the next thing right here is for you to click on new project and import a plain background, like the first background you imported before you added text. That's what you're going to do right now. So now here is the plain background you imported. You get my point? So what you're going to do right now is you have to click on overlay, click on add overlay, then you bring the screenshot right here. So now here is the screenshot right here. So what you're going to do, you can place 2 fingers on your screen and expand it a little, maybe to be something like this. You get my point? Now you have to drag it down. Just bring it down, so let it be there. Now you're going to add keyframe at the beginning of this particular layer. Now drag it to the end. So at this point is where you are going to bring it up. Just bring it up, just like that. You get my point? So when you bring it up, now you come and play the video. So as you can see, that's very fast, and at this point you will have to export this video to your gallery, and we are not done. You get my point? We are not done. So now let's export it. All right, so now you are done exporting it. So what you're going to do, you click on done. When you click on done, you click on new project again, then you bring the one you just exported to the workspace. All right, so look at it right here. So if you play now, this is what you're going to get, and that's very fast. You get my point? So what you're going to do right now is you tap on it. Now go to speed. Now click on normal, and then you reduce the speed. You can make it 0.5, and you leave it right there. Now let's see what we got. I think that's also fast. So you can reduce it to 0.3 or 0.2, then you leave it there. Let's see how it's gonna be. You get my point? So that is all about it. You get my point? So if you are getting value from this video, make sure you like this video, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you would want me to create again in my next video, what you want me to teach again in my next video. See you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.